What's up, everybody? Breezy here. You already know what it is. So today we're gonna take a deep dive into Euro USD. Already I'm on the daily time frame, so already we can see that price has been pushing up, right? Already we can see that we are in a bullish trend, right? Already we can see that we are in a bullish trend. Price has been pushing to the upside. Remember, guys, there's only three trends, whether we go to the upside or we go to the downside or we just consolidating, right? So on the daily time frame, I'm gonna start by marking my highs and my lows, right? Because trust me, all those highs and lows, 9 out of 10 is where price is gonna retest or reject, right? So I see that we created that high there. I'm gonna also mark this previous high. I'm also gonna mark this high, current high too. And then so now we can see that we got all those highs, right? And then remember, it's all about supply and demand, which is support and resistance, right? Do not try creating your own setups in your head. That's how you tend to lose, because you end up creating your own setups whereby you gotta trade what you see. Don't create your own scenarios just because you want to make money. Remember, this is a skill. So I see that we have some kind of support up there, some kind of resistance up there, and this kind of support down here. So now we've marked our support, resistance, we've marked our highs and lows. So now I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour, we can clearly see that the moment price broke that resistance up here, we can see that the moment price break that resistance, we had a retest and then we continued to the upside, but yet we start consolidating, right? And trust me, you don't want to be stuck in a consolidation trend. So we can see that price did push to the upside. So we created that higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we created that higher high. And we also created that higher gain, but we rejected where that previous high rejected to. So now typically we created some kind of resistance up here, right? So I'm gonna mark that resistance that I see. So we created some kind of resistance up here. Okay, we created some kind of resistance up there. Hence, y'all can see this kind of resistance we created because price pushed, rejected, it pushed again and rejected. So price is showing you that it cannot push up. And again, we have this support down here, whereby we can see price has also been rejecting and respecting at the same time, right? And hence y'all can see that the moment price came down to this support, we rejected and an engulfing bullish candle pushed to the upside, right? So what do we expect next? Price might come to this resistance and we might push down, right? Or price might create a fake out before pushing to the downside. So typically this is what I say might happen. This is what I think might happen, right? So this is what I so this is what I'm seeing. So this is what I'm seeing, right? So moving on, we're gonna go to the 1-hour time frame, whereby we're gonna see the market clearly for what it is. So hence y'all can see, right? It's only right for price to continue pushing and reject this resistance and create that strong bullish move to the that strong bearish move to the downside after rejecting, right? So now that we see that we have a proper setup, what do? We go on to our 15-minute time frame. So when we are on the 15-minute time frame, you all can see that what we clearly